Hello everyone, I hope you're having a wonderful day. My name is Jay and I want to welcome you out to the channel. Today we're going to look at ways that you can use opposites. So we're going to look at some English word opposites that you can use as you speak more English. Okay, so this is going to be a quick video. I'm just going to give you two opposites and then you're going to learn, we're going to have some fun, and then we'll be done for today. Okay, so let's look at our first one. Our first example, big, and the opposite is little. Big and then little. Soft, hard. Soft, hard. Thick, thin. Thick, thin. High and low. The sky is high, the ground is low. Opposites. Long, short. Long, short. He has a long foot compared to his short foot. Okay? Full, empty. Full, empty. After I ate dinner, I was full. Before I ate dinner, I was empty. My car is full of gas, or my car is empty with no gas. Opposites. Let's look at another one. Wide, narrow. Wide or narrow. Some people have a wide foot. Other people have a slim or narrow foot. Another example, wet, dry. Wet, dry. Before I took a shower, I was dry. After I took the shower, or while I was in the shower, I was wet. Strong, weak. Strong, weak. Good, bad. Good and bad. These are opposites. Up, down. Up, down. Top, bottom. Look at the top of the refrigerator, not at the bottom. And our last opposite for today, city, country. City, country. So that's our lesson for today. I want to thank you so much for watching today's quick lesson about opposites in English. Make sure if you learned something, you give me a like. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe and leave me a comment in the comment section about today's lesson as we learned about opposites. I hope you join me on my next video. Be sure while you're here on my channel to check out some of my other videos that will help you to speak better English. Have a wonderful day and may God bless you.